the standard deviation is more? Yes?
Yes, sir.
If more the standard deviation, what we infer, what conclusion do we derive?
Risk is high.
Risk is high. As an investor, do we prefer to take risk? If I talk of the risk preferences, Pavani, would you like to take risk?
Sir, if it's less, then I will, but if it is more, I will not.
You will not more. Anybody else? Anybody wants to take risk? हाँ, nobody wants to take risk. जिंदगी में कुछ करना नहीं है क्या? क्या खाली मूवी देखते हो? रिस्क लो, रिस्क लो, रिस्क लो, रिस्क। डर के आगे क्या है? अरे डर के आगे क्या है?
जीत है।
जीत है।
जीत है।
तो रिस्क के आगे जीत ही है। ओके, रिस्क के आगे क्या है? जीत ही है। So if you want to really win the race, then you have to take some risk. Otherwise, how will you win the risk? Win the race. Take the risk, win race. That is what I say. Clear? So remember, when you are assuming risk, what is your expectation? If you are taking risk, what is your expectation?
One profit.
Reward.
Reward. What is that reward?
Success.
No. What is that reward in case of an investment?
Return.
Profit से.
Return.
Return, sir.
Return, sir.
इतना मैंने बताया उस दिन इतना बड़ा अक्षर में लिख के risk and return. You are assuming risk means you are expecting a higher return. This is like this kind of investor is known as a rational investor. They are known as what kind of investor?
Rational.
Huh? Hello?
Rational investors.
Okay. So there are three risk preferences are there. One is can you see the board? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you see this graph? लैपटॉप तक है एक सेट Okay, do you see the graph over here, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Hello, all of you see the graph? Open करो अपना वीडियो ओपन करो all of you. आप ऐसे नहीं रह सकते. You people are like, I'm on the third page. I'm on the third page. Yes, 67. Devi Bandana, Amlan, Afsana Azmi. क्या हुआ अफसाना आजमी? चिराग, मानव, अफरीन सुल्ताना, अलीसा प्रुस्टी. Switch on your video. Switch on your video. Time and again, I am telling you, none of you are listening. This is very bad. Absolutely bad. Absolutely bad. You people are not. Isa? What about others? Yes, Arpita, Atul, Biswaranjan, Kriti, Sri. Very good. अच्छा, क्या देख रहे हो अभी? मैंने क्या किया यहाँ पे? ये क्या है? ये कौन सा एक्सिस?
X-axis.
X-axis.
Return. So what I written here, which kind of investor these are? Hello. क्या लिखा हो मैंने यहाँ? अरे पढ़ो यार. Anybody who can read it?
Risk average.
Average नहीं. क्या लिखा हो?
risk
Average. ये
Indifferent.
indifferent. This is
Risk seeking.
security.
risk seeking.
अच्छा, सर.
अभी क्या आप देख रहे हो? ये एक्सिस है रिस्क का, ये एक्सिस है रिटर्न का. अभी क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? x1 से x2 हुआ है. इसका मतलब क्या है?
Risk increase.
Risk increases.
Correct. All of you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when the risk is increasing, look at the first one, the indifferent. Indifferent. Is there any change in the return?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It's simply getting parallel to the risk. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that means there is no question of any kind of change in this particular line. This is indifferent. How much the risk is increasing, I'm indifferent to the situation. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now come to the x1 to x2. अभी किसको चलते हैं? Risk averse को चलते हैं. What happened? Risk has increased from x1 to x2. Risk has increased. Once the risk has increased, the graph you see over here at this x1, the return is this much. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now risk has increased means what has happened to the return?
Return increases.
Increased.
So that means what? Return is going up. Yes or no?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Abhishek Swai. Abhishek Swai, are you present in the class?
Yes, sir, President.
Then open your video. I don't want to see you are sitting on a bike. That doesn't impress me at all. Definitely will impress me by answering some question, by asking some good questions. That is much better rather than showing all these things. Okay? So return has gone up. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that means
Yes, sir.
that means the rational investor, what the rational investor is thinking? The rational investor is thinking, if the risk is increasing, my return should also
Increase.
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 So this is a basic psychology or basic thought process of anybody. Yes or no? On
Yes.
that I gave you an example. Will you jump from a height of 1 feet? Everybody will jump it. This is nothing a big deal. But when the height is increased to 10 feet, now you start thinking, jump किया तो कितना मिलेगा? क्या देंगे आप? है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है 10 लाख दूंगा. अभी जंप का हाइट और बढ़ा दिया, 50 फीट कर दिया. कोई जंप करेगा? ठीक है ना? नहीं. तो जंप करेगा तो भाई मुझे 2-4 करोड़ दो. मर जाऊंगा तो ठीक है, मेरे घर वालों को मिल जाए 2-4 करोड़, क्या प्रॉब्लम? So that means the risk is increasing, means the return also should accordingly increase. So this is nothing but a rational investor I'm talking about. So they are known as what then? Risk. What? They are known as
Averse.
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 averse. Now come to the risk seeking. Risk seeking में क्या होता है? कि क्या हो गया? क्या हो गया ये? Risk कहाँ है? क्या हुआ risk को?
Risk increase.
Increases.
Then what has happened to the return? Return decreased. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Getting my point? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So they are known as what then? Risk seeking. Risk seeking. So in a business world, basically when you are making an investment, you cannot afford to be indifferent. Can you afford to be indifferent? Now कोई businessman ऐसे बोलेगा क्या, ठीक है भाई मैं 100 करोड़ रुपए मैंने इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहा हूँ, मुझे रिटर्न मिले या ना मिले, I am not worried. Will you ever do that?
No, sir.
The moment you are giving 10 rupees to your friend, you are asking 10 रुपये आज दिया, कल मुझे क्या देगा, तो बोलो, है कि नहीं? सब क्विड प्रो क्वो पे चलता है. तो आप मुझे आज 10 रुपया दे रहे हो मीन्स ठीक है सर, मुझे मेरे साथ भी आप एक डील कर लो, कल मुझे क्या मिलेगा. सो दिस इज द हाउ द investor is also thinking. So indifferent cannot be the right kind of investor. So this is, you can say, not feasible, not possible. Likewise risk seeking. मैंने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया हूं, बिजनेस में मेरा इन्वेस्टमेंट किया हूं एज एन इन्वेस्टर, अभी रिस्क ज्यादा ले रहा हूं, मैं बोल रहा हूं कि ठीक है लॉस होगा तो मैं खुश हूं. कोई ऐसे करेगा क्या? Or
No,
will you ever be happy that even after taking more risk your return will go down? Then why should I make an investment? Yes or no?
Yes,
Will you ever say that I'll put my best effort for my study, but mark मिले या ना मिले मैं तो बहुत खुश हूं? ये भी ठीक नहीं है कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
अभी मैं बहुत लाइक क्या लेबर किया हूं, I have put a lot of effort, I am happy when my mark goes down. Will you be happy, or is it a rational thinking?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
What? Obviously what I am trying to say, you put more effort, you are taking more risk by investing more time, by investing more money, ultimately for what? To increase the return. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
At this point from this graph, could you able to understand who is a risk averse investor and who is a risk seeking investor and who are the indifferent kind of? These are nothing but known as risk preferences. So when it comes to risk averse, they are the rational people. They are the rational people. Any rational people in this world will ever think that if I am taking higher amount of risk, my return should also go up. Okay. So basing on this concept only, all your future study depends. They will be like you will be studying these kind of concepts in the future more and more. Okay. So this is a fundamental thing I'm telling you. Clear? Is there any confusion here in this graph for you in understanding the graph, in grasping the graph? Okay. Okay. Got my point or not? Okay. So last time we were discussing about the arithmetic mean, हमने discussion कर लिया, geometric mean discussion कर लिया. अभी I'll be telling you something about arithmetic mean का मतलब क्या था तो? Shall I erase it? Shall I erase it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you are okay with this one? Chirag, abhi same चीज. Arpita, are you present? Arpita? Aman,
Yes, sir.
where is your video? Switch on your video. Apsana, Amlan,
Hello, sir. Excuse me.
Ah.
So my bandwidth is kind of low because I'm not using Wi-Fi.
Last time also you said the same thing. Your bandwidth is low.
Yeah, sir. Because the Wi-Fi has a problem. Yeah,
Your Wi-Fi corrected.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Are you still giving me this kind of excuses? Is it correct, Apsana? Think of this is not correct. Okay. I always tell you that you people are grown up enough. Try to behave sportively. Try to behave sportively. That sportsman spirit should be there within you. Any kind of excuses you are offering to me for my consumption is also not good. That demean your effort. Let me tell you. Okay. And I do not know what for what good reasons you are not opening up your video. So many, even though I am telling you many times. Here, then we will go. We have already covered arithmetic mean and the standard deviation. Now we will go to find out the geometric mean or CAGR. That is known as compounded annual growth rate. Compounded annual growth rate. Okay, what we will find out? Compounded annual
Growth rate.
growth rate. उसको हम बोलते हैं CAGR, otherwise उसको कौन सा मीन बोलते हैं?
Geometric.
Very good. So geometric mean tells us that what is the growth, year-on-year growth. That will tell us year-on-year growth. Suppose I am asking all of you, those who are sitting in the class, please diligently write whatever we are discussing, because I will be giving you material, no doubt. I still remember your previous batches, whatever I teach in the class, that very clearly and very religiously they write it, everything they write it. So that will be much better for you, so that you will refer it, and the note which I will be supplying you, I will be giving you, you will refer that also. Okay? Otherwise you will be in huge trouble. Okay. Suppose you say that for 4 years the annual returns are 10%, 12%, 3%, minus 9%. Okay. Okay. Are you getting my point? Let us find out. This is a series. This is a series, like for 4 years the returns have been given to you. Yes or no? Hello? Alisha?
Yes, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Biswajit? 35?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, first year return is 10%, Biswajit. If I deposit 1 rupee at the end of the year, this 1 rupee will be how much? Come on यार, इतना टाइम आप ले रहे हो क्या? हेलो? अरे 10% is the growth rate. 10% is the return.
1.1.
Huh?
1.1.
Who is saying this one? Biswajit.
Answer.
So,
Biswajit, can't you say this much?
so I said, sir, the bandwidth is low, so I'm unable.
Everything you are saying bandwidth is the culprit. जो भी हुआ bandwidth के ऊपर उसको डाल दो, काम खत्म. मैं तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता हूँ, ठीक है? 1.1, ठीक है. So एक साल के बाद 1.1 हुआ. Okay, I'm trying to find out the CAGR means year on year growth. I'm trying to find out year on year growth. Okay, I'll make comparison with the average average return, but here arithmetic mean return. Acha, next year how much it will be? Next year it will be how much? Vishwajit bolo, next year it will be how much? पहले साल तो हो गया, खत्म हो गया, 1.1 हो गया. नेक्स्ट ईयर कितना होगा?
So 1.12.
1.12. क्या होगा? क्या लिखूं यहाँ पे? 1.1. Hello, what shall I write here? Next year this much will grow at a rate of what percentage? Hello.
12%. 12%.
तो what shall I write right now? फर्स्ट ईयर का रिटर्न आपका 10% हो गया. आपने 1 रुपया अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हो, डिपॉजिट कर रहे हो. Now you are seeing at the end of the 4 years how much this 1 rupee will be. How much this 1 rupee will be, and after that we'll find out the rate of return. तो 1 रुपया हो गया 1.1. उसके बाद क्या होगा?
1.132. 1.132.
1.132 कैसे आया बोलो?
So 1.1 into 12%.
1.1 into
12%.
12%. ओके, तो क्या लिखे यहाँ पे? अरे बाबा, तुम्हारा समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. आपने 1 रुपया इन्वेस्टमेंट कर रहे हो. You are investing 1 rupee, depositing 1 rupee. That 1 rupee is growing at a rate of 10%. That is becoming 1.1. So this 1.1 again will be deposited. At what rate it will be deposited?
12%.
12%.
12%.
At the end of the year, this 1.1 will be how much there? Into
1.232.
1.32.
1.132.
1.232.
समझ में आया तो मैंने क्या लिखा? हेलो.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So अभी ये क्या हो गया? ये जो टोटल अमाउंट आ रहा है, ये टोटल अमाउंट at the end of the which year?
Second
Second year.
Second year.
Second.
Now from second year till third year, it will grow at a rate of what percentage?
3%.
3%. Then what shall I write here?
Into 1.03.
Very good. Into 1.03. Then fourth year में क्या हुआ है?
Negative percent.
Negative
Minus
return आया है. So it will be again this total amount will grow at a rate of what percentage?
minus 9%.
Minus 9.
9%. Then what shall I write here?
Into minus 1.09.
Into
minus 1.09. Minus 1.09.
into minus 1.
109.
अच्छा, 1 रुपया 10% के हिसाब से हो रहा है 1.1.
Is 0.1 into
Sorry,
0.1.
0.01. 01. Into 0.1.
into 0.1. थोड़ा समझ के बोलो.
Is 0.01.
0.01. 1 रुपया 10% के हिसाब से 1.1 हो रहा है. ठीक है, तो ग्रोथ यहाँ पे क्या है? पॉजिटिव है ना? 10% ग्रो हो रहा है. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
Now मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि ये 9% डिक्रीज हुआ है. इंक्रीज 10% हुआ है, 9% डिक्रीज हुआ है. What will happen to this after 1 year?
So 0.91.
Who is saying this one?
Sir,
Yes.
Ayush sir. So
Ayush.
0.91.
कहाँ हो आयुष तुम? कहाँ हो आयुष? मुंह दिखाओ. मैं मुंह दिखाई रकम मिलेगा तुम्हें.
Yes.
कहाँ हो तुम?
Yes sir.
I'm not able to see you, Ayush. I'm not able to see you, Ayush.
Sir, my video is on sir.
तुम्हारा वीडियो ऑन है, मैं तो तुमको देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ, आयुष. कहाँ हो
Video
आयुष?
on है sir.
कहाँ हो आयुष? कहाँ हो? Who is Ayush? Who is Ayush? Ayush Mishra.
Yes sir.
Ayush Mishra, 32 roll number.
Yes sir.
Okay. So that means 9% डिक्रीज हुआ है. इंक्रीज जब हो रहा है 1.1 होगा तो हम क्या करते हैं 1.1 हो जाएगा यहाँ पे प्लस 10% हम ऐड करते हैं ना नहीं
Yes.
तो प्लस 10% ऐड करते हैं तो जब माइनस
Yes, sir.
जब माइनस 9% हो जाएगा तो क्या करो अरे बोलो यार आयुष तुमको कैसे मिला ये नंबर
So 1 minus 0.09.
1 minus 0.09 वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ
Yes.
माइनस के मीन्स प्लस किए ना प्लस माइनस 0.09
Yes,
कैसे
sir.
कैसे उसको लिखो 1 प्लस
Minus 0.
माइनस
0.09. Yes, sir.
ये
Yes.
तो ऐसे लिखोगे तो ऐसे लिखेंगे तो 1 आएगा कैसे 0.91 all of you are getting it or not Kriti hello
Yes, sir.
all of you are getting it or not Mansita Abranil
Yes, sir.
Abranil Abranil are you listening to
Hello?
do you hear me Abranil
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, what you are asking?
I asked you whether you understood it or not
Yes, sir. I got that.
got it so ये total कितना हो जाएगा
Final figure.
हाँ
Final figure. मतलब वो 9%.
कितना होगा
सर लास्ट में 1.154 रहेगा.
1.154 1.154 are you getting all this figure all of you
Yes, sir.
तो क्या करेंगे ये कितने साल के लिए हुआ है कितने साल के लिए 4 साल के बाद that means 1 rupee at a rate of 10% 12% 3% minus 9% is after 4 years will be how much 1.154 yes or no
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in order to find out the rate in between what shall I do I'll take which root fourth root कितना आएगा देखो fourth root of 1.154 fourth root of 1.154
Sir, 4.29.
fourth root
1.0364.
कितना
1.0364.
1.0364 correctly are you getting this fourth root of 1.054 all of you sorry 1.154
Yes, sir.
Aniket Bansita Ayush got it Abhishek
Yes,
Isha
sir.
Atiksha Akash Prachi Abna Aman
Sir, good morning, sir.
हाँ गुड मॉर्निंग तो बोलो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई ऑल्सो विश यू गुड मॉर्निंग बट व्हाट अबाउट दिस मॉर्निंग
Yes, sir.
ये मॉर्निंग हुआ ना
हाँ जी सर हो गया सर.
1.0364 so that means 1 rupee is becoming 1.0364 then what is the interest rate what shall I do minus 1 into 100 hello minus 1 into 100 ठीक है ना नहीं तो minus 1 into 100 कितना होगा whole into 100 कितना होगा मेरा परसेंटेज रिटर्न कितना हो रहा है
3.64%.
3.64%. All of you got it or not? Hello.
Sir, can you explain the percentage return one?
Which one?
The percentage return.
Percentage return. यहाँ पे मैं फिर से लिख रहा हूँ. Can you see this place?
Yes, sir.
1.036. This is the return after how many years?
4 years.
Oh, yes.
तो 1 रुपया कितना हो रहा है? 1 rupee is becoming 1.036. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So if I take 1 rupees, then how much it is? 0.036.
Yes, sir.
So percentage के हिसाब से कितना percentage होगा? Clear?
Yes, sir.
All of you clear with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that means my geometric return is how much? Or compounded annual growth rate is how much here?
3.6.
3.6%.
3.6%. Now find out the arithmetic return. Prachi, tell me the arithmetic return of this series. कितना होगा arithmetic return? Prachi Kukreja. Arithmetic return कितना होगा? जल्दी बताओ. There is no need of again doing any kind of calculation. This is a mental mathematics. Arithmetic return of this series will be how much of all these 4-year returns? Arithmetic return. फिर से हिसाब किताब you are doing. हेलो, कितना होगा अरिथमेटिक रिटर्न? Prachi Kukreja, you are taking so much of time to find out how much will be the arithmetic return.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
कितना? Hello. Atul, what will be the arithmetic return? Atul, what is the arithmetic return?
Sorry, sir, I'm not able to calculate it.
You are not able to calculate it. Arithmetic return. हे भगवान. प्राची अभी तक नहीं हुआ. Alisa, what is the arithmetic
Excuse me,
return?
sir. Is it 4?
Who is saying?
Atul.
हाँ, अभी तक क्या कर रहे थे बोलो अतुल? For such a simple answer, you have taken so much of time and you are saying that you are not able to calculate. How did you do that, Atul? Tell me.
So it was for 4 years. I just.
How did you arrive at 4%? Tell me. Or you got the answer from anybody on the WhatsApp?
No, sir.
Then tell me, how did you get the answer?
So 10, 12, 3, and 9, they are 4 years. So that's why. So they are 4 years. So I thought I just first added them and divide them by 4.
Divided by 4. इसमें thought करने का क्या बात है? Why are you thinking so much? There are 4 years. So number of observations are 4.
Yes, sir.
And you find out the arithmetic return. What are the returns per year? 10%, 12%, 3%, 9%, minus 9%. 10 plus 12 is 22, plus 3%, 25%, minus 9% is 16%. 16% is the total return for all the 4 years. How many years are there? 4 years are there.
4
Divided
years.
by 4. So average return is how much? 4%. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yaar, Prachi, we have already found out the average return through Excel and everything I did. But you are at the same place. ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. If you go by this way, things will be difficult for you. Do you understand, Prachi, what I am telling you? Prachi, do you understand or not? Tell me, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Then why you cannot answer it? We have already done arithmetic return. While doing at that stocks return, we have already done that. All of you got it, this arithmetic return, how it is found out?
Yes, sir.
So you are taking so much of time. None of also you said what is the return. Hello? Hello? क्या Pavani? Are you still calculating the arithmetic return of this series?
No, sir, I got the answer.
Huh?
No, sir, I got the answer.
This is very like I'm a bit surprised. I'm a bit surprised that none of you are also saying any answer to this. So my arithmetic return is how much? Arithmetic return is equal to 10% plus 12% plus 3% minus 9% divided by 4 is equal to 4%. So my arithmetic mean is equal to 4%. My geometric mean is how much? Geometric mean is how much?
3.6.
3.6.
3.6%. So you remember always the geometric mean will always be lesser than your arithmetic mean. So geometric mean is less than arithmetic mean. 4% less than 4%. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For such a thing, I took so much of time. I'm a bit amazed as well as surprised. You have to live up to the expectation of the faculty. Let me tell you. Slowly, we'll be moving to some other areas where lot of calculations are needed, lot of concentration is also needed to do the things. And your understanding has to be developed accordingly. Do you get my point, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Be very careful. You cannot afford to take so much of time to find out the average return of a particular series. Fine, if you take time for this geometric mean, I can understand, because some calculations are needed. But when it comes to arithmetic mean, this is very simple. You add up all these observations in a series divided by number of observation to find out the arithmetic mean. We have already calculated, and I took the help of an Excel, and I took the help of like stock return and everything. You are saying that okay, we understand things, but when I ask you to calculate, you are taking so much of time. Prachi, now you understood how it is calculated? Hello? Prachi Kukreja?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now you calculate and tell me. The returns, I am giving you the returns. Give me a calculate and tell me. Give me the, I am giving you the returns. 17%, first year return 17%. Next year 23%. Next year minus 17%. Next year 5%. क्या क्या मैंने बताया? फर्स्ट ईयर रिटर्न कितना है? फर्स्ट ईयर
So 17%.
कितना?
17.
17, sir.
23%. 23%.
17%, 23%.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Yes, sir.
Minus
17.
Huh?
Minus 17%.
Minus 17%. Next year
5%.
5%. Give me the arithmetic return and geometric return of this series quickly.
So arithmetic return is 7.
Arithmetic return is 7.
Yes, sir.
So arithmetic return is equal to 7%. Very good. Geometric return बताओ. Prachi Kukreja, tell me the geometric return. Prachi. Hello. Prachi.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the geometric return. Arithmetic return, did you find out?
Sir, 7%.
7%. Very good. Very good. Tell me the geometric return then. अरे कितना टाइम ले रहे हो?
Sir, is it 1.254?
1.254.
Sir, 5.8.
5.8. 1.254. थोड़ा और
Sir, I did. Sir, sir.
अब आपने क्या कर रहे हो तो खाली सॉरी सॉरी बोल रहे हो? हाँ? एक बार उसको करो, एक बार ठीक से करो, ठीक है?
Yes, sir. Yes.
हाँ, कितना आ रहा है बोलो?
5.82.
Everybody is getting the value. Prachi, did you get the value? Hello. Unless and until you give me the support, I cannot march further. It will be difficult for me to go to the next subject and have a progress on this subject.
Yes, sir. 5.8, sir. 5.8%.
5.8. Everybody is getting 5.8.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
5.8%.
Yes. Atul, did you get the value 5.8, Atul? Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. How did you do that? Tell me. How did you do that? Tell me. Bolo.
Sir, 1.17
Very good. 1 minute.
into 1.23.
7 into
1.23
very good. 1.23
into 0.83
into 0.83
83.
into
1.05
very good. 1.25. इसके बाद क्या करें?
equals to 1.25 to the power 1/4.
तो डायरेक्टली ऐसे कर दो ना, -1. कोई प्रॉब्लम है?
No, sir.
हेलो अलीसा, अरे अलीसा समझ में आ रहा है जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
ओके अनिकेत,
Yes, sir.
do you understand what we are discussing?
Yes, sir.
ओके तो कितना आया तेरे? इज इक्वल टू कितना आएगा अभी? ये कितना आएगा? ये टोटल कितना आएगा? ये वैल्यू
So 1.254.
1.254
Root under 4.
टू द पावर 4 करने के बाद इतना आएगा?
No, sir, 1.0578.
ओके 1.0578
78.
-1 करो 0.0578 मल्टीप्लाई क्या करो?
Into 100.
100.
5.78%. तो मेरा अरिथमेटिक रिटर्न कितना आया था?
7.
Geometric return कितना आया?
5.7.
5.7. Let us say that 5.7. So is geometric return not less than arithmetic return?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Are you getting my point? So always in between return if you want to find out, then it is better to go ahead with geometric return rather than the arithmetic return. ठीक है? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. देखो इतना छोटा सा कॉन्सेप्ट के लिए पूरा क्लास मैंने ले लिया। कोई बात नहीं, आपको समझ में आ रहा है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। We'll go slow, no issues. Today is 11th class we are running. Pratyush, sorry, A section, section A. Roll number 1.
Present, sir.
2.
Present, sir.
3.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
5.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
6.
Present, sir.
6. 7. 8.
Present, sir.
9.
Present, sir.
10. 11.
Present, sir.